One evening, Winston the engine was puffing home. It was a misty night. The rails hummed, and the signal light shone green. However, being out late with the fog was playing tricks with him. What's happening? What's going on? I think it's better to stop. What's going on? What's happening? Huh? Ah! No! No! I'm getting the heck out of here! And that's all I remember. That does sound strange. What'd the ghost look like? Hi guys, what are you talking about? Winston apparently saw a ghost train last night. Oh, well, first let me get into the sheds, and then you both can tell me what happened. So Winston explained to Griffin, the small red tank engine, what had happened last night. Ugh, it makes my wheels wobble just thinking about it. Well, hopefully, Winston, you won't see it tonight. I hope not. Just then, the manager came over. Good morning, engines. Hello, sir. Lovely day we're having. Yes, it is. Anyways, Winston, later tonight, I'm gonna need you to pick up some old scrap parts and take them to the smelter's yard. But, sir, stuttered Winston, what about the ghosts? What ghosts? The ones nearby the old line near the scrapyard. There are no such things as ghosts, Winston. You should know this already. Now, you all know your regular jobs, so please do them. Winston had an awful feeling in his firebox. But when nightfall came, he was sizzling nicely. When Winston got there, he didn't realize how creepy the junkyard looked. Ah! Winston didn't stop for a couple of miles. Eventually, Winston started getting low on coal. Just then, there was a rattling and puffing. Just then, oh no! Oh no! No, 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 no! Winston? Huh? What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be picking up the scrap metal? Mallard? What are you doing here? What do you mean? I always come down this line. Remember, I take third shift. So, wait. Weren't you the engine that I saw last night? Well, I'm not sure what you mean, but I did see a tank engine that looked exactly like you. Oh, wait. That was you, wasn't it? I wondered why the ghost train looked exactly like you. But why did you make me think that you were a ghost train? It's simple. The fog tricked you. It made you think I was a ghost train, when in reality I was just puffing through the night. Oh, well, that makes sense. Should we go back to the yards? Yeah. It was morning when the two engines returned. There you are, you two, said Griffin. Where have you been? I got a little lost, and then Mallard found me and brought me back home. Thanks. Don't mention it, said Mallard, as he headed off to get another engine's train ready. Winston is no longer afraid of fog, because he knows if something suspicious happens, there's always a reasoning to it.